Welcome back to English for Future. Today we are going to read a story together. Pig Out. Are you ready? Let's go. Mama Pig looked out the window. The sun was up. The birds were singing. Let's go on a picnic, said Mama Pig. Yes, said Papa Pig. Yes, said the little pigs. We will get the picnic basket. The little pigs found the basket. They carried the basket into the kitchen. Then they put in lots of bread and butter, eggs and cheese, apples and grapes and bananas. But was the basket full? No. So they put in popcorn and nuts, honey and jam, cookies and cake. But was the basket full? No. I know what we need, said Mama Pig, and she went to the phone. Soon a van came to the house. What was in the van? Pizza! Lots of pizza! Now the basket was full. Off we go, said Mama Pig. But the pig family did not go anywhere. The basket was too heavy. Oh no, said the little pigs. We cannot have a picnic. What will we do now? I know, said Mama Pig. We will have a pizza party.